So here we are. I have a wonderful young ambassador called Valerie. She's 17, from a town outside of Plevin. She's spending time with me as we work on issues to do with the free press and also the Association of European Journalists, our civil society organisation.
Hello, I'm Valerie Kanicheva. I'm 17 years old. I live and study in Dolny Ribnik, but that doesn't stop me from growing and studying many other things. I want to influence people to pursue their dreams and to be themselves. I am one of the winners of Ambassador for a Day, and I represent United Kingdom, and I get to work with Ambassador Emma Hopkins, and I'm proud to work with her.
Аз бях отличена и сега съм щастлива да имам възможността да съм с посланичката на Алжир и да видя как протича един истински посланник.
Здравейте! Аз съм Елена от град София. На 15 години съм и уча в 22 СУ Георги Раковски. Идеята ми да напиша есе, естествено, дойде от майка ми, която всъщност ми каза, че ако искам хора да ме чуят, когато говоря за околната среда, ще е най-добре точно по този път.
It is fine to have these kids like we do have it, to preserve the nature for the future generation here in Bulgaria and if it is possible for the whole planet.
My name is Vasilina and I'm from Yambu, and I was picked as an ambassador of Republic of Albania. I learned a lot from the ambassador of Albania, and we exchanged different point of views, and that helped me realize that in Bulgaria there are a lot of problems, but they are going to be solved one day, and I believe that we can provide a better life for the people with disabilities. And we can do it by organizing presentations to inform people about that, and even in schools we can have a special day to visit some places where they are helping people with disabilities.